Alright guys, today we're gonna watch a short horror film called Meow. By the name of the video, maybe something to involve cats. Maybe killer cats or hybrid human slash cat, I don't know. But let's watch it. Scary. Okay, empty apartment, nice. What are you? Is that the only box you have? Is that it? Just got records?
Don't you think
oh wow, you got more than that. My bad.
I'll be fine, Mom. I'll get a cat or something.
Oh, you don't want a cat, Sam. I had a cat once in my 20s. You know what happened? It died. I came home the next day. It was dead on my sofa.
I'm sure that's not all cats.
What kind of cat did you
I
buy?
want you to be happy, Sammy. What, you okay on funds? Can't live on rice-a-roni alone, you know.
Thanks, Mom, but I'll be fine.
Oh yeah, it's my jam. I feel like Michael Jackson's about to pop out of somewhere. Alright. Nosferatu.
Hi, Samantha. Looks like you're all settled in,
That
huh?
guy's creepy.
Yeah, it's coming together all right.
Hey, sorry to bother you, but I noticed that you didn't sign an initial right here.
No pets, okay.
On your lease?
Oh, really? I could have sworn.
We just want all our tenants to be aware of the rules. It's an old building, and we like to keep things well preserved. You know how pets are.
Yeah.
That's some epic flossing. Just saying. Fuck. Is it fucking wrestling a cat? What's going on? Who go? You hear a cat meowing and you want to go outside to what? Hit somebody with a hammer? Oh, I just yawned at the same time. That was weird. Oh, demon cat. Demon cat's gonna get her. Nosferatu. Oh, look at the kitty cat. Oh.
Do you have a name?
Oh,
Yeah.
what a cute little cat.
I like it.
Oh, his name's Meow. It's about this cat. What's with the rice? Oh, that's supposed to be a litter box.
Good night.
I don't know if that's the best makeshift litter box, though. He's on the prowl.
Hi, Samantha. A few of the tenants reported hearing odd noises last night, and I just wanted to make sure that everything was okay.
These guys are weird.
Odd noises?
Animal noises. Scratching. Hissing.
Oh. Well, I didn't hear anything.
You do know there is a very strict no pets policy.
Well, yeah, you came to my apartment last night and we went over this.
Leave us, Serena. Leave us in peace.
Oh, look at the little cute kitty cat. Look at that
This
little cute
weekend?
kitty cat.
Are you sure you want to visit? It's supposed to storm this weekend. There's a severe weather advisory.
Well, even better. We'll order a pizza and watch one of those awful scary movies that you love so much.
But you hate pizza, and those movies always give you nightmares.
Oh, I'll live, Sammy. Pizza movies never killed
Because I'm
anyone, you know.
yawning, man.
You look as if you'd seen a ghost.
Good evening, miss. Got yours all right here.
You got the pizza tattoo?
All right. That'll be $17.50.
I think I have some cash in my bedroom. I'll be right back.
No sweat.
Oh, hey there, little kitty. Sorry I didn't bring this out for you. You're a cute little kitty, aren't you?
Homie's getting eaten.
Let us know if any concrete evidence turns up, and we'll send someone over to investigate. Until then, there's nothing we
What
can
kind
do.
of pizza was that? I don't know, that was scarier than the way that pizza looks. That pizza looks disgusting.
Yeah. Thank you.
Is that DiGiorno? Why don't you go buy an actual litter box? I'll figure in the litter box.
Hi, Samantha.
Hi.
Hate to bother you, but the tenants are very concerned.
Sounds again?
From your apartment, I don't need to remind you about the rules, do
I
I?
heard some sounds coming from the dumpster. Maybe it's a raccoon.
The alleyway, right. I'll look into that. Just, if you see anything, bring it to my attention immediately.
This
okay?
guy is nuts. What is wrong with him? Oh, Cat just killed Meowster's just killed him. Yeah, I was gonna kill that dude.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Papa Lake, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I got you, Cat. Look at you to eat me. Oh my. Who do you,
How could you?
he ate Mr. Fresh.
It's in their blood, Samantha.
The fuck?
Jesus, you scared me.
It's what I've been trying to tell you.
Why does he have a knife?
Wait, what's going on?
These are vile creatures, Samantha. They're not what you think they are. They are capable of heinous acts beyond your wildest nightmares.
Fucking knew it. It wasn't Meow. It
It
was.
was you?
It was him. What a
What kind of
psycho.
sick landlord are you?
I've been trying to protect you. I've seen countless of their kind. Shredding the drapery, clawing the freshly painted walls, the putrid little fiends.
Come here. So you are just an ordinary kitty.
And you...
You don't know what you're dealing with.
She's mine now. Don't touch her.
Ooh, we got a duel.
I'm sorry, Samantha.
Ah, who's gonna
But you
win?
leave me no choice.
That's not just a cat. There's a... No way that's a normal cat. This is puzzling.
You saved my life.
Samantha! Oh my.
Well, your mom's dead, so that's, I don't know if that's good or bad for you. Oh! I gotta stop yawning.
You know, these movies are the reason these things even happen.
Come here. Just watch the movie, Mom.
This cat's running pretty quick. Watch out, you hit your head. No, no. Meow. Okay, that was Meow. I hope you guys liked it. It was good. I kind of had a feeling that it was the landlord the whole time because he was just coming out of weird moments. But it was good. I thought the cat was a murderer. He did eat a person at the end. The bad guy, so hey, if he was to eat anybody, that's the perfect guy to eat because he's a kind of a jerk. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys subscribed. If I get up to 300 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So help me get up there, guys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I don't know what giveaway I'm gonna do. So if you have any ideas, links in the below, and just help me get up to 300 subscribers. That's only 101 more subs. So 101 more subs, and I will be doing a giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time on a horror reaction. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, A Grave Life. And you know, that's about it. I'm getting out of here. I'm going. I might be going to bed because I am exhausted. It's been a long day.